Class, you just listened to the book Cat's Colors, which is a book all about what this kitty's favorite color is. I want you to think about what your favorite color is and why. In your reader's notebook, you are going to draw a picture and write a sentence that says, my favorite color is, and then you're going to say what it is and why. So in your picture, I might see things that are that color, which makes it your favorite. So my favorite color is blue, and the reason why I like blue is my high school colors were blue, a really pretty color of blue, and all of my older siblings, they always wore shirts that were that color, and I really looked up to them, and so that's why blue is my favorite color. So I want you to think, what's my favorite color and why do I like it? Remember to use those color words that we're practicing in class. If you have not already accessed the video or the link that has all of the color videos in it, please do so you're practicing those color words and how to write them and how to read them.